檔。好啦，一隊都入埋。2021年嘅珠穆朗瑪峰錦標入晒閘，隨時起步啊！準備。綠化帶好似有啲跳啊！一檔又跳引路零區，準備。好啦，一起步嘅時候咧慢咗啲啊，隱秘合時啦。咁啊前面出得快嘅馬好多嘅，愛德華多、綠化帶啊、野帝王啦。咁啊中間咧仲有咧就寧波提幾仔晒前面啦。內檔仲有加士國士啊。然之後外檔埋緊嚟就橫行直衝啦。咁喺佢內側就引路零區，後啲堆位置咧仲有咧就抱緊你嘅。然之後嘅馬咧見到長途跋涉啦，川河達區尾三嘅啫。咁啊暫時殿後咧就地獄火啦，同埋隱秘合時貼咗埋欄嘅。開始入彎嘅時候咧，咁前面綠化帶都係速度快啲，自己帶到出嚟喎。喺內檔上到嚟第二位係加士國士。外檔係咁想騎埋就野帝王，然之後第四位就愛德華多，咁後啲堆位置嘅馬啦，內檔攝上咗啲引路零區啦，喺佢外側嘅橫行直衝嚟嘅，再跟住個馬仲有抱緊你啦，走出外碟嘅寧波提，內檔上一啲係長途跋涉啊，川河達區出咗外檔啦，尾二喺內檔等位隱秘合時包緊尾仲係地獄火嘅，入到之後直路嘅時候咁前邊咧暫時仲有綠化帶咧，扣姜啊帶住出嚟先㗎，追住佢老對手愛德華多啦，然之後上緊嚟外檔咧，話川河達區都幾勁啊，馬群中間上緊嚟嘅馬咧仲有隱秘合時嘅，最後百零米嘅時候前面綠化帶咧暫時仲帶過幾馬位，愛德華多追到上嚟啦，後邊上緊嚟就隱秘合時大外檔嘅川河達區，前面啊綠化帶愛德華多啲隱秘合時都有位衝埋上嚟啊！個獎第一名咧好近啊，綠化帶第一啊睇嚟，第二名咧都仲係呢隱秘合時，第三名咧就愛德華多，第四名睇下啦，川河達區因為後邊上嚟嘅長途跋涉啦。
幾隻老對手啊，結果綠化帶咧就啱啱頂到喎，睇嚟啊，隱秘合時追咗好多。
好彩入彎嗰段冇馬逼佢乜滯，有馬逼下就大件事啊！
咁啊呢場真係斯密夫錦標嘅翻版 Q 嚟嘅喎。
隱秘合時就永世都係輸。
係啊，喺佢爭少，佢都捐㗎啦，已經。
即係你講勁佢好勁啊！真係呢隻係。嗱，川河達區係就係爭嗰少少，衝到上嚟唔夠揸長啊，
都係揸長，
唔夠細啊！咁睇下有冇第四啦。
其實咧嗰隻加士國士咧幫手就唔使捉住咧，綠化帶輕鬆啲嘅。咁變咗望空自己走，好在佢都有級數，咁啱啱都頂到啊！
不過可能就自己同購馬就唔想一齊鬥搶。
係咯。
哇！但係呢隻隱秘合時好犀利嘅。
以為兩座山俾爬晒背湯尾，爭少少。麥道朗睇張相啊，到先啊綠化帶。第二就隱秘合時啦，1號、6號，跟住愛德華多3號，川河達區。喂，同埋嗰啲橫直衝都好近啊！
第四名咧，好似都仲係
好似多少少
咁啦嚇，不過影相同嗰隻橫行直衝影啊，因為佢裏邊嗰個長途跋涉都上到嚟嘅。好啦，咁啊今屆嘅花帶贏得險啲，但係都係佢贏。我哋睇重播。
真係搏老命，臨尾終點麥道朗，哇！嗰個頭馬獎金600幾萬澳紙，
唔係爭好多啫，1、2名咧爭300啊，
成個人都趴落去啦，終點線嗰度
390啊，
係咯。同埋綠化帶已經係第3次跑啦，你下季唔知保唔保持到噶嘛？
哦，下季8歲噶啦，
係啊，終於都贏翻次啦。
隱秘合時機會大啲嘅，隱秘合時。隱秘合時啊，真係硬係就係嗰步啊，爭少少。
A great race. It's just captured the imagination of so many people inside racing and out. And what better way to get out of COVID than have a race day?
Did you feel it today with the crowd back and preparing a horse that you so love?
Not until now. Yeah, I could feel it was a little bit different, obviously. But yeah, when he crossed the line and it certainly hit home. That it's a big race that's taking over Australia and the importance of new ideas and making sure racing's portrayed in the right way.
Here he comes back. We talk about this horse so much. How did you get him ready for today?
Just didn't panic really. So we kept it pretty simple. We obviously started later with him and just let him do the rest.
I don't think I've seen James overcome with so much emotion. He's so close to this horse, isn't he?
Yeah, we all are. My team at home. Not just with Nature Strip, but the whole team. And Stuart, who rides him work, and Gary, who's strapping him today because Stuart can't be here. And just a great story, and that's what our team's about. We just work away and win some big races.
And so much pressure to get him right for one race on one day. You've had 12 months to do it because you had unfinished business with him in the Everest.
Yeah.
He can win TJs.
Yeah, well, he got the highest rating sprinter in the world for a reason, and that gave me some confidence. And he's probably justified it today.
Is he one of your favourites? There'll only be one of her, but is he one of your favourites?
He's right up there, that's for sure. For sure.
And he earns a break now.
Break for 3 weeks, probably goes to Melbourne for the Darley sprint. That was always the plan, and the owners in Melbourne haven't had a chance to see him. No one's had a chance to see him. I think Jack's here today. He's one of the owners, but the rest of them haven't been able to hear, so it's probably only fair we take him down to Melbourne and hope the situation improves down in Melbourne.
Go and show him off.
Thank you.
Well done. Thanks.
練馬師華里納嘅訪問啦，咁啊真係可能開心得滯，都未係話講到多謝。不過一點咧就係話，即係大家睇一場賽事贏就依家呢一刻啦。咁但係其實準備真係好耐呢場賽事要。
暫定賽果16:30啊，同埋啲綠化帶咧好傳奇隻馬，佢係經過歷咗5個練馬師嘅訓練。係當年記得史姆頓就先噶嘛，跟住有韋爾和接手過，全部已經釘晒牌啊，好多事嘅。咁啊去到華里納手上，繼續係大放光芒啊！
嗱咁啊補充下第4名叫佢影贏上嗰隻橫行直衝喎，咁啊四重彩又冷啲啦。
係啦，16:30啊！
咁啊去到頭先個訪問嘅最後度提到個動向啦，我咦去墨爾本喎，諗住嚇跑個維多利亞賽馬會經典賽啦。
Even though he's just got there, I've been the man who trains it is just an absolute master. I don't know what he does. He's just a freak of a trainer, and the horse is a star. And I knew we'd see something really good today, and his build-up's been so good, and everyone's wiping it off because he's running 3 times in it and hasn't done any good. But it's been different this time around, and he's been amazing. He's just a star. The horse gives his all, and so
just the crowd as well, just being here, and this horse really, he deserved this Everest. This was his race to win.
It's the only one that's been eluding him, basically. He's been a consistent performer all the way through, and I think they hit the nail on the head early on the week, which was that his last 6 runs, he's been thereabouts. He's a grand final performer, and that's what his trainer is, that's what the horse is, and he's done it today.
And that's what his jockey is. Just you win a lot of races, but how special is it to win this one?
I've ever since it's been going, I've dreamt about it, and I had goosebumps thinking about it last night because I truly believed that this was my time to shine in terms of the horse's time to shine. I thought everything's just too good to be true at the moment. The rain was dropping from the sky. When the track come up a soft 5, I was thinking, okay. But he's just so adaptable. That's why he's the best sprinter in the world.
I was watching you walking around previous to the race in the parade ring, and he had this big loop in your rein, and he was ambling around. Were you nervous then?
Nah, that's the weird thing about it. I've been nervous on him before, but I wasn't today. And I wasn't when he won the Moya one year. So he's just a star. And I think I would have been more nervous if he drew in, because I would have had things to sort out.
And when Masked Crusader and Eduardo were coming at you, did you feel you were not worried about it at all?
I was sick. I was physically ill cantering past the post, but I just prayed and hoped he got there, and thank God we had enough left in the tank. But he was out on his feet a furlong from home, and he showed grit and determination. He should have been on SAS.
And you know what? This is so special to have these crowds here to experience such a great horse and a great ride.
And a great race.
Congratulations.
Thank
well
you.
done.
Means a lot. Thanks.
非常開心啦嚇！咁多群眾支持佢啊，麥杜朗同埋呢場賽事贏起上嚟咧，賽前好多嘅諗法，亦都好多嘅不安，呢個天氣都帶俾佢好多嘅問號喺度嘅。
我聽到現場唱歌聲啊，大聲過訪問聲，好開心啊！咁啊，同埋呢隻馬今屆咧就因為華禮立自己個位嚟噶嘛，即係全部自己立晒啊！連馬師都好開心啊，所以啊。好啦 ，S1 嘅第一場亦都復榜完畢啦。跑第一名有個綠化帶，導人派28個半，位置派14蚊。第二名6號隱秘合士，位置派22蚊。第三名3號愛德華多，位置派15個半。第四名10號橫行直衝。連贏1搭6派106個半。二重彩1號6號順序派148蚊。三重彩1號6號3號啊順序派551蚊。單 T 派171蚊。 位置 Q 1搭6派43蚊，1搭3派30蚊，3搭6派63蚊。咁啊，獨贏最後得翻28個半啊，因為都3倍左右噶嘛。
不過合理大熱門嚟嘅，佢始終係即係比較平穩啲啊，能力佢又高少少嘅。即係隱秘合時都叻，但係就我哋都睇係追唔追到啦，
係都係啊。4連環1360啊，派837蚊。同埋4重彩1號、6號、3號、10號順序派9455蚊。